Hello, Bookie. Hello, Bookie. Hello, baby cow.
Taking all this off,
Yes.
channeling it all around,
Yeah.
and pivoting this.
Oh, so it goes up.
Here,
Yes.
so it can go up. Hello. Okay, I'm going to be trying to make this cupboard for a dirty laundry basket. I have to be on my knees here because I can't get the camera up because I want to show you what I'm doing. So yeah, have a look here. Tell me what you think in the comments and whatever. But I've taken it and I've stripped it. So it's just a box, just a plain box, and I've put knotty pine all the way around. So that's the outside. For the inside, I've got this material, the fancy kind of fluffy stuff. It's nice and thick. I'm going to plant this inside all the way around, inside it, all nice and tight, and for the base also down the bottom. Then for the top, which is this planky here that fits on here to close it off. This is going to double as a seat as well. So I'm going to use a foam, a nice thick piece of foam like this. You can see how thick it is. It's nice and thick, and it's the right size. So we're going to cut that square so that I can put it onto this piece of wood. And then we're going to take the same stuff and wrap it around. It'll go quite loud. This is thick, but I'm going to wrap it around. So it'll be a nice little thing to sit on, and be able to open it, put our dirty laundry in there, and that's how I figured I'm going to do that. I think it'll work nice. What do you think? Oh, I must go and say goodbye.
Okay, so Graham is in the light, but I've just been to the dentist and I've had a big, huge hole filled. But apparently I've got good teeth, very good teeth, and that's amazing. You've got such light on you, I can't see you. Yeah.
Yeah, because they're going to hook on everything.
Yes, so they're going to be on the side.
You can always just go under the doof.
Yes.
You'll find it easy.
Okay.
Let's see. So let me try that.
This is so that we can hang coats or clothes underneath when the table's down. Because when we're sleeping at night, we'll leave the little passage door closed, and this table will be sitting there.
Yep. Just got to get them in the right position.
So there's going to be 3 of them.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Hello, good morning, Graham.
Good morning. Okay, so I've just put the what do you call it, the table back.
Yes.
And we've put some hooks underneath, as you saw the photo.
Yeah.
And that's where they'll hang.
Looks very nice, and it's out of the way.
Yeah, it's almost like insulation part as well.
Yes, for winter. And then we've got that hook up there.
Yeah, this is for coats as well, that you can
Yes.
hang your jersey or something, or your clothes while you're having
Yeah.
a shower.
Yes.
Inside the shower there's also other hooks.
I've seen those, I think.
Yeah,
Let me
there's
just
hooks at the
look.
back here. I've just hooked the towel, the curtain on, but you can put a towel there, and there's one at the other side also.
Okay, perfect.
Because the water's going that way.
Yeah. Okay, so now you can see the kitchen area, the stove, with this beautiful working space. Yeah, beautiful. Then we've even got the fridge working space, and then we have this little shelf working space. So I'd say there's pretty much a lot. And then of course we have our sink area. So this is the working space in Jaunti. Well done, Graham. We can make nice breakfasts and muffins.
It's a pleasure. I can't wait to have my muffins. I love muffins, you know that.
Still haven't tested it. Anyway, it's coming. Every time I take muffin mixture with, and I haven't done it, done a nice breakfast. So yeah, I'm very happy. This is gorgeous. Thank you, Graham.
Okay, so we're busy putting the lining inside this bin.
Yeah.
I'm gluing it in. So it's a bit of a procedure. If you can have a look, I'll try and turn it to the light.
Yeah.
You can see where I've done already.
Oh yeah, it looks quite
So
nice.
that's how it's going to look from top to bottom.
Oh, there's like a little panel you have to go around. Okay.
Yeah, these
You've
things.
done the bottom as well.
No, that's first.
Okay.
So that can just go over it.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's coming on slowly but surely.
Okay.
Bit of perseverance, yeah.
Okay, so here's the finished product.
Well, it's not finished, but it's lined inside.
Yes.
Nice material-y stuff.
Yeah. Very nice.
Your clothes can go in there.
Yeah.
And then this is the lid that's going to go on here.
Okay.
I'm just cutting the foam to put it on.
Okay.
So it'll close like that with a cushion on top.
Perfect.
Yeah, I think it's perfect.
Okay, so we're sewing here. We're sewing.
Now we're
And-
sewing the actual cushion for the
The seat.
linen cupboard.
Yes.
Linen cupboard. And I didn't want to overlap or anything. I wanted to make it so that it looks better than overlapping. So if we sew the angle in there.
Okay. Graham's shown me exactly where I must sew. Look at that. Clever, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're doing here.
Okay, so now we're going to put this material on the foam to see that our measurements are right here. We're going to put it on the table and put
But that looks too long. Oh, but sorry, I was
come on,
laughing.
man.
I just saw these big points. Oh,
You've got to think like an engineer.
think like an engineer, and then you'll get it right.
Yeah, and then you can sew these things at an angle so that it looks square.
Look how beautiful it is.
And that's a beautiful cushy. It's going to fit on
Okay.
here. It's going to be beautiful.
Yeah, even the
You
top.
like this, eh?
The dog even
It's going to be
likes
nice, eh?
Yeah.
Full of grass. Look at you, you're full of grass.
Oh.
Okay, move, move, move.
So you're pushing what? The edges?
I'm going to push the edge down so when I leave it,
Yeah.
it's taut there.
Okay.
See?
So do you glue it or do you put nails?
I actually need to get some little tacks or nails.
Yeah.
Do that one, that one, that one. Pull this one over and then flip this over onto there
Fantastic.
so that you can't. Well, I might even do this now and tack it on there. So this is the bottom.
Yeah. Lovely.
So I've got this lady who has these sensitive hands, so I have to make everything nice and fluffy
Yes.
so that she doesn't hurt herself when she's putting her brochet in the bin.
Projet. Good laugh.
Brochet.
Projet.
Square.
Oh, so that's
this
for
is
the
for the
hinge.
hinge to go on here. So
Okay.
it's going to tip up here.
Perfect.
I've left it wood. It's
Yes.
fine. It hides the funny carpet underneath.
Yeah.
There's no sharp edge there. Well,
Oh,
carpet edge.
it looks lovely inside.
I think that looks alright. Try and keep that sort of the same width.
Oh, you put glue there already.
Yeah, so it doesn't look bad on the bottom. I mean the top. I don't know if this is going to work. Let's see.
Sorry for laughing. You've done such good work, Graham. So the reason why Graham's doing this is because he says he hasn't got his glasses on him.
Yeah.
He said nails are very small. I think we need to just go get your glasses.
Let's do it by hand, yeah.
Do you want me to hold it so it doesn't wobble?
If you hold it, I'll hit it hard.
It's like an upholstery did
Like
it.
an upholsterer did it.
Yeah, like you did the inside of the van.
That's what I'm saying.
Mm-hmm.
That same upholsterer did the inside of the van.
Okay.
I've still got a problem with him.
Wow.
But he doesn't listen to me when I tell him I want it like this.
This looks good.
It's got to put in here. Sort of like that. That should parallel it out.
Okay. Looks very nice.
It's not too bad.
Graham's got his glasses on now, so you can see what's happening.
I can see what's happening, but nothing's happening. Still got to use my fancy little pair of pliers.
Are they just too small?
Oh, they're little titches. Look at this thing. It's a little tip.
So Graham's just getting the length of the hinge.
Yep. Over there.
Okay,
It's
so
also one-handed here. So the hinge is going to fit on here,
yeah,
like that.
okay, perfect.
I think so.
So this is the hinge going on the cushion. Getting near the end.
Just cut it out.
Yeah, a strap.
Yeah.
Oh, that's looking good, eh? Can you put it in the sun? So we can... There, I can see it now. Yeah, it's beautiful. Oh, wow. Fantastic.
Come in, on.
Sit your butt on it.
Oh, my butt. Where's the butt?
Sit a butt on it. Oh, wow. Okay. Good stuff. Graham's just putting feet on. So the original feet that were on.
Okay, so to put this cushion on here,
Yeah.
I had to cut the panel here, this
Yes.
one,
Oh,
here,
okay.
so that it can swivel past there.
Oh, yes. Okay.
If I didn't put that there, the hinge won't work because it'll
Yes.
jam against this drawer,
Yeah.
seat. So I've just chamfered that off a little bit, just enough so
Yeah.
that I can get that in so that it's level again with the rest
Okay.
of all the other boxes in here.
Perfect.
Blocks.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Looks lovely. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Moggy, yeah, baby. Hello. Hello. Okay, so we're just putting, what's that oil called?
Raw linseed oil.
Yes. Just to give it a bit of a sheen.
Protection.
Looks lovely. So that'd be a nice light wood. Anyway, we're going to say goodbye. We're going to show you a bit more of the farm, a few more pictures to end the video. Please like and subscribe if you've watched this far and you're enjoying our journey of doing different things and going on jaunts. Please, we'd love you to like, subscribe, and push. Yes, comment as well. Yeah. Okay. Graham, you want to say ciao?
Cheers, guys. See you on the next one.
Hello. Hello, baby. Come. Hello. Come, baby.